the ethnic groups in Ebonyi State share a common food culture, but one food stands out as the most popular food eaten by all the Ebonians.
People gather up like this
to eat it.
Okay. And we really enjoyed it because we regarded it as our best soup.
Today, I've come to see how it's prepared and also have a taste of it.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Epic Food Review. In today's video, I have come to one of the 5 eastern states in Nigeria. This state is called Ebonyi State, and I have come here to show you one of the most famous soup the EGUSI people of Ebonyi State normally eat. This soup is called Esisa Soup, and today we are going to watch a local prepare Esisa Soup the way the EGUSI people prepare it. Let's go.
Esisa, as they call it in Ebonyi State, is a soup made from Beni seed. The soup is also eaten by the Tiv tribe of Benue State, where it is called Esisa Soup, and in EGUSI State, where it is known as EGUSI Soup.
People like Ogoja, they are using it, but the way they used to prepare their own is quite different from how EGUSI people do prepare their own, because they regarded it as their special soup. And yes, exactly.
So you people, your own pattern
is different. It's different, quite different. It's not the same.
But irrespective of its popularity, Esisa Soup holds a special place in the culture of EGUSI people of Ebonyi State.
Esisa Soup came up right from the time of our ancestors.
Okay.
We make use of it, especially during our festival so-called Ojiji.
Ojiji Festival?
Yes, okay. Ojiji Festival. Likewise known as New Yam Festival.
New Yam Festival, okay.
Therefore, by preparing that of Esisa Soup, our wives always like to make use of it. And whenever after preparing it, if you have a special visitor, whenever you table it to the person, we know that actually you are the original EGUSI. Of course, that is how it is.
The ingredients needed to prepare this soup include Esisa or Beni seed, onions, palm oil, stockfish. This was soaked in water overnight. Egg, garden snail or akokoro in EGUSI language, pomo or cow skin, crayfish, bonga fish, and chicken. Start by pounding the Esisa to a rough texture. Transfer the Esisa to your local grinder called okwa and grind till it becomes smooth. You can skip these steps by simply blending the Esisa. When a smooth texture has been achieved, add salt, raw egg and onions and grind till the Esisa starts releasing its oil. At this point, knead the Esisa with your hands and form rough balls of Esisa with it. This will give the soup its distinctive texture. Prepare your chicken. According to the locals, it is best to roast your chicken. The smoky flavor of the chicken is loved by the people. Wash your snail and boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, sieve out the snail and using a needle, separate the snail from the shell and set aside. Put some water on fire. When the water comes to a simmer, cut and wash your pomo and put them into the pot to cook till soft. When the pomo is well cooked, add your Esisa, palm oil, dry pepper, salt and seasoning of your choice. Cover and allow to cook. After 15 minutes, add your stockfish, bonga fish and cover to continue cooking. After 10 minutes, pound and add your crayfish and stir to combine. Also add your roasted chicken and cover to cook for additional 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash your snail very well and add to your soup. Taste and adjust your seasoning and cover the pot to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your Esisa soup is ready.
Okay guys, the food is here and it's time for us to eat this Esisa soup from EGUSI people in Ebonyi State. I will tell you guys what I think. Wow, this is nice. This is nice, guys. This soup, to me, it tastes like EGUSI soup, but I feel like the Benin seed is a little bit harder than egusi. I normally eat egusi. The egusi soup is a bit softer. The feel is softer in the mouth, but this one is a little bit harder. But it's delicious. It also has a nutty taste. I don't know if it's from the way it's prepared, but the soup has this nutty taste to it. But overall, it's a very, very delicious soup. So for that, I'm going to take off my cap. Do young people, all these young girls, do they still know how to prepare this soup?
Nene, osla, agreement ogbonta, aba akagekwa de kwakwa budrobe.
Ngokoronta betova, bebeteri dio amendike shova nu janye benoderi. Ogbonta te iri mudova beta bedeje obodo anyi bishi.
In this modern age, some young girls or boys don't normally like to eat this Esisa soup. They always like to eat something like what the other soup in short, like EGUSI soup.
Okay.
Yes. So this one are not more preferable to the young ones now. Exactly.
Okay. Why are you doing the fufu like that?
It is because it's our own tradition way of method of eating.
Okay, you must do it like this.
Yes.
Let me try
That
it.
is our culture.
Okay. Does it make it taste any different?
Yes. It gives us a joy and different taste.
Okay. Let me try to eat the fufu like the Z people. It does not give it any different taste. It's the same thing, but it makes the ball of the fufu round, more round. It makes it easier to go down. That's all. Here you have it, guys. The Esisa soup from the Igbo people of Ebonyi State. If you love this video, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification button so that whenever we post food content like this, you will be the first to know. And always remember, eat to live while I live to eat. I am Mr. Epic, and see you next time.